If you've ever used Google Keep, you know it's fantastic for jotting down quick notes and checklists. But what if you want your lists to look cleaner, more organized, and easier to read? That's where tabbing comes in. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to tab or indent items in Google Keep, so you can create neatly structured notes that are simple to manage. First, open your browser and head to Google Keep. You can find it quickly by clicking the grid of 9 dots at the top right corner of your Google homepage, the one that gives you access to all Google apps. From there, select Google Keep and you'll land on your dashboard. Now let's create a new list. Click on Take a Note, then choose the checklist option. This is perfect when you want to organize tasks, ideas, or anything that benefits from a structured format. Start by giving your list a title. Think of this as the headline. Below that, type in your first main item. This will act as your primary category. Then add a few more list items beneath it. At this point, all your items will be on the same level. Here's the trick to tabbing. Once you've added your items, simply click and hold on one of them. Then drag it slightly to the right. You'll notice the item becomes indented or tabbed, creating a sub-item under the one above it. This nesting feature is super handy for grouping related tasks together. For example, having groceries as the main item and then indented sub-items like milk, bread, and eggs. You can repeat this process for as many sub-items as you need, giving your notes a clear hierarchy that makes them far easier to read and navigate. And if you want to move something back out of a subcategory, just drag it left again. Once your list is organized the way you like, close it and it'll be saved automatically to your Keep dashboard, ready for you to open and check off whenever you need. And that's it. With just a simple drag and drop, you can create clean tabbed lists in Google. Keep your notes more structured and visually appealing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing for more quick and useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.